Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I get a lot on all my drywall repair videos. How do I attach drywall to a drywall repair when there is no wood? So in today's drywall repair quick tip video, I'm going to show you my tip and trick for this situation. First thing you're going to need is a 1x4 furring strip and a saw to cut the furring strip with. Cut the furring strip 4 inches longer than the overall length of the hole. Next, add your 1¼ inch drywall screw to the center of the furring strip. This allows you to hold the furring strip firmly in place when attaching the screws through the drywall into the furring strip. Don't oversink your drywall screws. Barely break the surface of the drywall. Remove the center screw. Place your pre-cut piece of drywall into the hole. Now attach the drywall to the furring strips using the 1¼ inch drywall screws. Make sure there are no screw heads sticking up higher than the drywall. Check out my How to Repair Drywall Tips and Tricks playlist in the YouTube card above. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.